Leonardo DiCaprio and Vittoria Ceretti escape LA fires on private jet. Leonardo DiCaprio and his model girlfriend Vittoria Ceretti were spotted arriving in Mexico on a private jet amid the devastating LA fires. Given Leo's reputation as an environmental advocate, it raised eyebrows that he would take a private jet during such a major natural disaster affecting his own community. Leonardo DiCaprio appeared unfazed as he stepped off the plane alongside Ceretti, who wore an all-black ensemble. Thanks for watching video. You can shopping by link